Welcome back tomorrow. This is good for two, right? I told him, I asked him, good for one, he told me. This is the beef. Yeah. Ali. Ali, or order Ali is coming. Ali. Sorry, manager first. Wow. There is no spoon, fork. Agoy, the Arabic here and the post pala. Where you are? Here? Where in the kingdom? Dito na lang o doon? We can order immediately. Yalla, choose. It will take how many minutes for the order? 10 minutes? Ay, ano ito? Ano ito, Michael? Paano ba natin malaman yan? You can read a black pepper steak, not to large pressed chicken. Parang gusto ko yung ano. Order and also for anise. Basta kung ano na lang. Kasi wala tayong... What is this? It's not included. I don't like chicken. I need a beef. What is the... You can refer us at least something beef. It is good. Can you help us? Beef. I need beef. Real, what is that? This is beef? Huh? I think mention here beef. It's available? This is okay there? No. So which one you can ref? Can you help us? This is good for one person. One person. Okay, I don't know. Pwede rin. Anong vegetables? Just want to try that one. Yeah, what is this? This how is that available? See? Beef noodles. Okay, This is good for one person. Try ko yan. Gusto mo? Okay, we have two and for you. Check there what so that we could. This is good one person, huh? Okay. What is the meat and eggs fried? I need a beef. This one I think I will take this one. Michael, what about? Yeah, I need that one. Two. Order. Anything? Okay, one this one, two this one. Okay, what about you?
One.
The next time, if it's okay, we can come back late. No problem, tomorrow or after tomorrow. What you want? Tell them, beef or chicken or anything? Chicken? Oh, but that's for the chicken, which is you can refer to us. Because you are working at this, you know. We can. This is our chicken.
Meat and eggs fried.
Naku, ayoko niyan. Ito po, yung beef. No, this is different. Beef noodles with meat. This is meat and eggs and fried together. Okay. Sama ng drinks? Ha? Pepsi. Okay. I need this merienda, huh? One merienda for me. Okay. Ha? Okay, huwag na. No, this one we ordered. It is good for one person, this one. And we ordered also one for this one. Me and Michael, and one for this one. Which one you need? You can order two and you can order one another one also. Yeah, okay. Good two for them and another one, okay? So we will try. If it's good, we'll come back. Otherwise, bye-bye. Yeah, I need merienda. Nakita mo na pala yung dalawang ano. Yeah, we'll bring home. This one I'll bring home.
I eat Indomie.
Kaya pag may angkas, Michael, mahirap. Pag wala angkas, okay lang. Kasi mahirapan siya eh. Pag nag-ano siya, pwede siyang matumba. Ay, the people now. We'll come back tomorrow. This is good for two, right? I told him, I asked him, good for one. He told me.
Take home.
This is the beef. Yeah. Ali. Ali, your order. Ali is coming. Ali. Sorry, manager first. Wow. There is no spoon, fork. Wow, Ali. Happy birthday, Ali. Happy birthday to you. Tomorrow, we'll come back tomorrow. Ali is not included. This is the one we are looking now. At least we catch.